Hello lovelies, you want to see how I achieve this pasta paste? Watch this video. This is my pasta, parsley, garlic, ginger, olive oil and salt. So I added the ginger, the garlic, and I will be adding the parsley leaf inside my blender. I will add the olive oil so that it can blend easily. So I'll just blend it until it is very smooth. So I'm done blending. I will turn off the blender. So here is my water. I added salt. I added my pasta. So I came to test if it is okay. It was cooked but not properly cooked. So I added olive oil, salt, pepper, and I added my blended parsley. So I gave it a good mix, and I will pour in the pasta. For those of you always returning to like, share, comment, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep commenting, keep subscribing, keep sharing. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Share this video, guys. I'll be very glad. So I tested for salt. So you needed salt. I just rinsed the blender with some water of the pasta. So I'll give it a good mix. So I sprinkled some salt and I gave it another good mix. So now cover and allow it to steam on a very low heat for 1 minute. So here is it, ready to be served. Look at that. Enjoy.